Hey, what go on, what a go on. Welcome into my kitchen, into my home, into my space. The world always say, the angel can cook it, the angel can cook it. We're not going to cook it. Maybe I cook good it. But what we're going to do today, I'm going to show you how to cook curry chicken. People always want to know how to cook curry chicken. So I'm going to show you how I cook my curry chicken. Let's go! So the first thing I do, guys, is clean up my meat properly. I'm really big on meat cleaning up. Yeah, I have to clean up properly. And then I use my vinegar to wash it off like 3-4 times so the meat come out clear and pretty. See here? Clear and pretty. Clear and pretty. And ready for season. So actually, to add your powder seasoning, I choose Maggi. So a little bit of chicken seasoning. Of course, of your choice. Any chicken seasoning you want to use. Ginger. I use the powdered ginger. And I also use the powdered ginger, and I use the original ginger, so we get to that. I like my food to be seasoned properly, in proportion. Yeah, I like my food has flavor. And I like when nothing missing. So use a little tubs. A little tubs of this is my stash. Little tubs of all-purpose. So this is my garlic powder seasoning as well, so you add, I love garlic, just add enough. Black pepper, I don't use a lot of black pepper, just a little. And them say in agree with man and the son of the eat. Understand? I get this seasoning, it's a really good seasoning from overseas. It's a really good brand and it's all natural. So it's a my little thing. Everybody have their own little flavors and stuff, so it's one of my flavors that I'm going to add to it. This is actually one of my favorite seasons. It's called To The Bone. It's actually overseas product. It's really good. Make your food really flavor up one thing. It's available online. It's not available in stores, and it's made international. It's really good. So add a look at me. Look at me. Try me. And of course, the adobe. Put a little. You can use any seasoning of your choice. But make sure so you have your all-purpose and your chicken seasoning on it. Understand? Of course, this is my all-purpose. I not call the brand name because them not pay me for me advertise. Understand? So we get big up, link up. Pimento seed. So we get big up, and try link up. So this is my pimento seed. So of course, I have to wash it. And before I start cooking, guys, I wash my hands for 20 seconds. Pimento seed, then I have to wash it. You can't find a pimento seed grinder. So what am I going to do? Old-fashioned ways, you can't go wrong with that. Old-fashioned, can't find my grinder right now. So old-fashioned, the way you do, you beat it. Old-fashioned game, it's a downtown girl in the uptown life. Spanish to me born and grow, mother grow me good. So you beat her up like that. And you add it. Understand? You have to improvise. Me's a girl, me ever wash. Everything me do, me wash. See ya? You use something, I wash it same time. Some of mother grow. If you got a mother is fancy. Once you use something, you wash it same time. As a child growing up, a little lazy, not even know so I could have take on cooking, because that wasn't my duty. Anyway, we're going to the ground seasoning now. You understand? Cut up your onion. If you wash it and put it down, cut up your onion. Never cut up it fine. Ginger. No, not ginger. You cut up your onion, garlic. When I do, I crush my garlic same way. The surface clean, so we're good to go. This is the ginger, original ginger. So you just put it in it like that. Thyme. It's already washed and clean. So I add my thyme. Of course, I don't cut up my scallion, I beat my scallion. So you beat the scallion. If you want to cut up a scallion, it's entirely up to you. But usually, I beat my scallion. Alright? Oh, I forget the main ingredient. But it can go after. It can be added after because I don't burn my curry, I just add the curry to it. So the Irish, curry chicken can't do without Irish, so you cut up an Irish on it as well. So this is the curry. So you can add the curry. Some people burn them curry, but just add my curry. Not to burn no curry. Can't find my curry container, so I just work with it. And of course the Scotch bonnet pepper, so let me get that out of the fridge. So I grab my pepper out of the freezer. It's in a Ziploc bag. My pepper is in a Ziploc bag because it lasts, it keeps longer. Even though they're already washed, I look for the biggest Scotch bonnet pepper, the biggest one, because curry have to have a pepper, have to have the flavor. You understand? You have to have a nice rich pepper flavor. Nice one. Even the biggest one, you find one nice one. Wash it off again. You have to wash, you have to wash, you have to wash, you have to wash. And I drop my pepper in it whole. Right? Yeah. As you can see, my spoon was right here. So I'm gonna use, I'll put a little salt in it. Of course. Because salt, not too much. Just to taste. Because the powder seasoning is already salty. You just add to taste and you just marinate with your spoon. You marinate with your spoon. When you're marinating, you'll see if you need to add anything else. And so that's how I usually do it. Of course, more curry needs to be added to this, and I may add some more scallions. I like to cook in proportion, so I know what I'm about and how my food is being prepared. That will be enough. My surface clean, it's going right back in there. Right back in there, surface clean. So that's it. I'm going to let it sit there and marinate for a little while. Okay?
What you have in your hand?
Yeah, no, pot cover, when you see one, it's a pot cover. Traditional.
What kind of
Dutch
pot?
pot. So I'm a Dutch pot cover.
Why you use Dutch pot?
You know, so you use a pot. Our famous pot cover we use a reggae boys match, and when you see them go around the whole track and about the things they like this we use and the dance. Dutch pot is the best pot. When you want your food come out good, Dutch pot. So I cover my food if it go and marinate. Dutch pot are the best. Best, they do anytime you want your food come up with your fried chicken, your stewed chicken, your brown stewed chicken, your every kind of chicken are different meats. You understand? For who eat meat. Dutch pot man for everything, Dutch pot. Dutch pot for everything. Unless I don't use Dutch pot for stir fry. You understand? I use non-stick pots, but the Dutchie right over here. So come on myself, show them a Dutch pot. Dutchie there. It's a Dutchie there.
Where do you where par you cook?
I do both, baby. I have a cook and dry down at the same time. That's my stay. So I never use my wipe off.
That's good. At least the place clean now.
I like my surroundings clean. Me heart clean and me dirty I go. Me house clean and me dirty I go. Clean house and clean heart. While I'm on the stove, I get my rice ready. This is brown rice. I'll mix it in with the basmati. I'm gonna wash my rice until it clear, till the water clear. And I don't cook a lot of food because it's just me and my son alone. You understand? The man not come over here. I think you have a thief come in. My house is a haven, safe haven.
Suppose him thief the pot off of fire.
Who that?
The thief.
The thief can't come in here. But if I go through a whole heap of security and something and code and a whole heap of something. Then I say a man will my pitney. And the man that have to serious. And oh, me I gonna make him serious. Like I hold him out for all 2 years before I meet my child. That's what the thing said. I don't run them to if I do look for something, I may not do it in my house. I feel guilty. I feel guilty. I found it in by the bed. Anybody want me and rudeness for him by it. Anybody want me and rudeness for him go by it. Then I rudeness for the bed by me and my son lie down for sometime. Now go work. I regular my son people in my room. I wash it again one more time. And I say, no, wash it till the rice clear. Alright? This is called proportion. So your rice, shell, you don't overkill it with too much water. You have to drop in your salt and your butter. And then your rice. One of my things is when I'm cooking, never basin with water. Never you leave your spoon on the counter. A basin with water. You understand? So it's easy accessible. It always stay clean. And you know where thing go. Right? So I took the butter out of the fridge. Why I'm not going to keep it in the box? Because I'm not getting nobody no company no forward. I'm not big up no more brands. I'm not sign NG. Anybody want to big up on the happy sign by your morning. As I say, you can drop. It's a skeleton night, so it have a vibe. So you cover that up.
What going for your chicken? Let's see I focus on the rice. What going for your chicken?
I'm gonna pour the chicken. As I said before, some people burn them curry in the oil. I don't do that. I just add the ginger. You understand what I say? I'm very easy for run. They add everything. Remember, so natural ginger is very, very important. And you cover it down on low heat. So what's going to happen here now, you have to let it steam for a little bit. And then you add water. Steam for a little bit. Then you add little bit of water. Cook of water. You just steam for a little bit. That is not much. Do not use cold water on your meat. It has to be hot water. So this is boiled water. I'm going to pour some on my chicken. What you have to do is use the same basin that you steam the chicken in to add the water. So you don't lose no flavor at all. You hear that? To keep the flavor. I'm a lefty, left-handed. So you add the water. Just add it proportion. Just a little proportion you need to add. You have to kill it. It just go and steam. So you can't cook without something to drink. So I'm going to do some cucumber juice. Green juice. My ginger is also in there. Can't do without the ginger. And the juice I'm making, and I cook with ginger a lot. And of course, everything has to do in proportion because I like when the ginger is in it, is flavored in it, but not overly done.
So, what kind of drinks is here now? I say cucumber, I say soursop. I never say nothing go say it.
I can't do that soursop. Soursop I feel in a girl back. I'm not active right now, you know. I'm not active right now. I'm not figure it out, but soursop I feel in a girl back, my love. I've never tried it before, but I have a soursop tree upstairs. Nobody know that. So I tried it for the first time. I wonder how it will taste. Taste make you know how it tastes. I'm talking truth. If you don't taste good, just so. When you decide some cooking, you have to always be creative with cooking. Somebody decide to add her in it. I'll look at one I find on the tree. I don't want it waste because if it stay long, it will go waste and can't use again. Spanish Town market locked down right now, so I don't have no market produce to get. I'm a Spanish Townian and then big up on yourself. Big up on yourself, my Spanish Townian. Put the camera up on me. When I'm big up Spanish Town, I have to big up real good. Because all my Spanish Townian and them stay home, stay in, and I go flatten the curve. Then I get the market things because mother always buy my market provisions. So I make sure you use them up. So bro God clear the place again and I get the market provision. If you tell you, come I like buy market things in the supermarket. I like the idea. Like get my market provision. Mother always used to send me to go market go buy them up. And the liquor. Buy up our market things there. Until I know if I buy good. What are two things she said me go buy? Because she said me buy them up because then time She never trust me to buy. Because me second to last one. She never trust me to buy good market things. She said me go buy all powder tomato, all powder onion. We come back. They will look good. So they say, Mommy, I don't even know, I don't even answer. I just say, but me try my best, you know. But no, you can't buy. You can't buy good. You go to market, them can't sell no riff-raff. You need to buy good things. Oh, I couldn't carry riff-raff to my mother and just said, I'm going to buy them. If you notice, I have 2 spoons. One for the rice, see that? And one for the meat. Don't mix up the 2 spoons. You know what kind of food me eat, what kind of pot me eat, you see? When you have your chicken pot, and when you lift up the chicken, you see look a rice grain night. I'm ignorant for them kind of food paper pots up there. When you lift up your pot and you see rice grain, so you have 2 different spoons. I have a meat spoon, I have a rice spoon. So when you share, you don't mix up. I mix up some of them, you can't deal with it. I never like mix up. That's one thing.
Korea, come on, good though.
Oh, you know me do my thing already.
How much longer before this ready?
I'm not sure. I like when the meat cook properly. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure. About the next 20 minutes? Yeah, about 20 minutes. It's just steam nicely. I'm only add one because the chicken spring water. So you don't have to turn loaded with a whole heap of water. So we just add 1 water so far. And remember, hot water.
That's so much juice here, that's so much cucumber you cut up for 2 people.
You know, yeah, everything's scarce. So me can't because cucumber easy to spoil and everything's scarce. I'm Spanish don't make it on market things and Spanish don't lock down. What you want me to do? We have to cut up everything we can't afford for waste nothing right now. Can't afford for waste nothing.
Enough drinks that though.
We drink it. Because I work out, so green juice is always good. We drink it. I'm gonna make it with me, sweeten it with honey. I'm gonna use sugar a lot. I sweeten the juice with honey.
So what I do now?
As you can see, I'm peeling the soursop. See? I peel the soursop. Supposed to just strip and peg and peel up it and strip off. I'm gonna just pick it off like this because I'm not gonna juice it in that. I do it separate.
And then mix up the 2 of them together?
Now pretty much I am stripping off what I'm doing now, I'm stripping off the soursop. So what's up in my back? You know the thing set, girl, strong and fit. So what's up, do that. Yeah, so I'm gonna separate it so I blend it with what I'm doing. But I'm gonna take out the seeds. I don't seed, no seed at all, I don't seed nyama. Check on my chicken now and see what is going on. See there?
Alright, you go on. Then, so if you're never in a music business, you'd be a chef?
Nah, it's not my...
So you're not open a restaurant or nothing?
Not my thing. After quarantine, I would not go into restaurant business. It's not my passion. What I mean now is my passion, which is music, entertainment, acting, modeling, music and entertainment and drama. That's my passion. That's what I'm in, and I love what I do. Cooking is just
necessity.
A gift that I get from my mama. Passed on to me from my mama and all my other siblings. We can cook. That's how I always call one. With a man artist too is stomach. Yeah, so steam down nicely. Steaming down nicely. As you can see, me only add a little water one time and you steam it on low heat. Low heat, depends on your fire, depends on your stove, you steam it on low heat and just add 1 water so far. When it dries down to some extent, I can add a little more water depending because I like my chicken well cooked. I like my food well cooked. The meat, I like my meat well cooked. As for the rice sheet, I'm going to check on her. Even though the forks them clean, let me just take it out of the drawer. Still have to wash it. So my sponge do me. You got a nice clean mother. I have a nice clean daughter like me. She got me good. So I'm gonna check on the rice now. Watch out. Precise. Shelly rice. Watch out. 1 go. See that? Precise. I love shelly. I like black rice. See that? 1 go. 1 go. Precise. Can't eat this alone. Okay, she finished. And for all those who are just joining in, this is my little scallion to add a little flavor to the rice. If you wonder why not coming on the time.
The pot smell good though.
Thank you. And I have all my ingredients in there, so the pot have to smell good. Have to smell good. Everything about me smell good. Everything about me smell good. I'm a body that I plug in the wrong card. We have 3 cards here, so. I'm going to plug in the wrong one. See that now?
Alright, this look like it done now. I can't wait no longer.
It's finished now. You can't yam raw food, so you have to wait. So this is finished. You can turn off the pot.
Finally.
Yeah. Finish. Simmer down to gravy. Nice and rich. Like rich things.
Like man. You like your food like you like your man. Rich.
Yeah,
Really
baby! You just add the last little bit of onion you have with it. Only scarce, you can't find no onion to taste this if it's to taste. This tastes good. This is cucumber and soursop mixed. Wow, this is amazing. Woo! I'm proud of me. This is actually one of my new beverages, cucumber and soursop. Amazing.